Question number 15. The probability that a randomly chosen 5-digit number is made from exactly 2 digits is: first option is 134 by 10 raised to the power 4, second option 121 by 10 raised to the power 4, third option 135 by 10 raised to the power 4, and fourth option is 150 by 10 raised to the power 4. So in this we have to find the 5-digit numbers. So as we can see that probability is basically the total number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So our total number of outcomes would be 9 into 10 raised to the power 4, as we have written this in 9 into 10 raised to the power 4. After that we would break our condition into different cases. So first case would be where we have to choose two non-zero digits. So for that we have formula 9C2. Okay, now after that we would find the probability of number of 5-digit numbers that contain both the digits. So in this we would find it by 2 raised to the power 5 minus 2. Okay, now we move on to the second case where we choose one non-zero and one zero as digit. So its probability would be 9C1. After that we would find number of 5-digit numbers containing one non-zero and one zero both. That would be equal to 2 raised to the power 4 minus 1, as we have written here, 2 raised to the power minus 4. Uh, so we have to find the probability of 5-digit number in which two digits are same. So for that we have to add all these values what we have find in the above case. So 9C2 into 2 raised to the power 5 minus 2 plus 9C1 into 2 raised to the power 4 minus 1, that would be equal to 1080 plus 135, which is 1215. Now probability is favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes, that would be 1215 upon 9 into 10 to the power 4. As we can see that 9 1215 is divisible by 9, so therefore we would get our answer 134 by 10 to the power 4. That's it. Thank you.